Chapter number 9, the freedom movement of 1857 CE. In the last video, we have seen the planning of the revolt and we have discussed about the Mangal Pandya. Then we have seen how the revolt has spread in the different cities and how the leaders have taken charge of revolt and how they have started and how they make free from the British rule. Now in this video we'll see the revolt of 1857 in Gujarat, that how revolt has taken charge in the Gujarat, and then we'll see the end of the revolt. So we'll start this topic, revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. So the 7th Battalion of the British Army broke into the revolt in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in June 57. Now the 7th Battalion, the battalion means a large unit of army. So the 7th Battalion of the British Army broke into the revolt in Ahmedabad. However, it was soon halted. Dahod, Jalod and Godhra of Panchmahal witnessed the skirmishes with the British Army. Now it was soon halted, means British की जो बड़ी सी आर्मी थी, they start revolt in the Ahmedabad, Gujarat in June, and however it was soon halted, means उनको वहाँ पे एक होल्ट मिला. So the cities of Dahod, Jalod and Godhra of Panchmahal was the witness of the skirmishes with the British Army. जो वहाँ की army present थी, they were the witness of that. The soldiers could capture the government offices with the help of the natives, but soon they were defeated. Now the soldiers, they captured the government offices. उन्होंने सोचा कि why not to capture the government office, but the natives, with the help of the natives, जो आसपास के लोग थे, जहाँ पे लोग बिलोंग करते थे, गुजरात कोई, अहमदाबाद कोई, they thought कि वहाँ के जो natives है उनको ही बोलते हैं कि you just capture the, you just come along with us and capture the government offices. But soon they were defeated. The Nayak Das of Panchmahal continued the rebellion almost for a year. अब जो पंचमहल के नायक दास थे, he has continued the rebellion almost for a year. So Garbad Das Patel, the head of the Anand in Khera district, collected almost 2,000 volunteers of the Koli and Naikda communities to join the revolt. Now Garab Das Patel, he was the head of the Anand in Khera district. So he has almost collected 2,000 volunteers from the caste of Koli and Nayakda. They are the low caste people who lives in the jungle or in the tribe, means they are the one type of tribes. So he was supported by Jeevbhai Thakur of Kanpur, Malaji Joshi and Krishna Das Dave. They were having the support of these people. However, the supporters of Garab Das were captured by the Britishers, tied to the cannon and were blown off with the cannonball fire. अब क्या हुआ, the supporters of the Garab Das के जो है वो captured हो गए by the Britishers ने उनको पकड़ लिया and they tied with the cannon. Now what is the meaning of cannon? Cannon is वो जो means it's a one type of weapon जिसमें वो बहुत सारे डिफरेंट तरीके के गन्स होते हैं या कुछ भी कोई भी वेपन्स होते हैं, उसके साथ उनको ब्लोन मीन्स टाई अप कर दिया और उसको ब्लोन ऑफ कर दिया विद दैट कैनन बॉल फायर, मीन्स उसे जला दिया. सो द गराब दास वाज एक्साइल्ड टू अंदामन्स वेयर ही डाइड. गराब दास जो है उसे उनको नेटिव प्लेस से निकाल दिया गया था and he was exiled to Anandmas. Exiled means अपने native से निकाल देना, means not to stay in the native, or either you can say stay outside the native. And Andamans where he died. The people of Chandap village, which is 16 miles away from Idar, accepted the leader of Nathaji and Yamaji and joined the revolt. Now the people of Chandap village, जो village में लोग रहते थे, which is 16 miles away from the Idar, they accepted the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji and they joined the revolt. The British had campaigned at Nandana village between Okha and Baradi. अब ब्रिटिशर्स का जो एक कैंप डाला हुआ था, वो किसके बीच में कैंप बनाया हुआ था? नंदना विलेज एंड ओखान बराड़ी विलेज, इन तीनों विलेज के बीच में उन्होंने ब्रिटिश कैंप बनाया हुआ था। द ब्रिटिश कमांडर ऑफ नेवी बिकम इम्पेशेंट एंड ही रीच द फोर्ट ऑफ बेट द्वारका वाया द बे ऑफ बेट दोनावन ऑर्डर्ड एन अटैक ऑन द फोर्ट। अब जो ब्रिटिश कमांडर थे ऑफ नेवी, ही वॉज इम्पेशेंट, मीन्स उनमें कोई कंट्रोल नहीं था, बिकॉज उन्होंने भी एक बैटल की थी गुजरात में, लड़ाई स्टार्ट करनी थी उन्हें, सो ही वॉज नॉट हैविंग द पेशेंट. So what he did, he wants to reach to the fort of Bet Dwarka and he started the traveling Bay of Bet. Donavan ordered on attack on the fort. Now Donavan has ordered to के fort के ऊपर attack करो. The Vaghas inside the fort has no such artillery to counter attack. अब Vaghas is one kind of people known, it's a community. Those who were living inside the fort, they were not having any kind of weapons, guns, या उनको कुछ भी नहीं था जिससे वो लोग लड़ाई का सामना कर सके. So they soaked the mattress with water in which they could catch the cannonballs and cool them immediately. So what they thought, as they don't have any type of weapons, so they thought कि एक मैट्रेस लेते हैं, उसको ऐसे पानी में सोक करते हैं कि जैसे ही वो कैनन बॉल्स या कोई भी वेपन फेंकेंगे तो वो बॉल जो है उसे कैप्चर कर लेगा, और उसे ठंडा कर देगा. This would enable the Vagar men to fight the battle without being hit by the cannonballs. Now where in the history of the world such act of valor has been exhibited. Now this would enable the Vagar men to fight the battle without being hit by the cannonballs. अब Vagar men जो थे, those who were there inside the fort, what they thought कि अगर हमारे पास वो क्लोथ होगा ऑफ द कैनन, इफ द बॉल मीन्स कोई भी वेपन्स वो फेंकते हैं इट विल कैच, सो वो इमीडिएटली कूल डाउन हो जाएगा, पर हम इसे ज़्यादा देर तक रोक नहीं पाएंगे. बट नाउ वेयर इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सच एक्ट, अब जो उन्होंने एक्ट किया था कि कोई भी वेपन वो फेंकते हैं या कोई भी गन वो चलाते हैं, सो दैट वेट क्लोथ जो है अगर वो रख देंगे सामने और हम उसे कैच कर देंगे तो वेट क्लोथ विल कूल डाउन द, उसका जो गर्माइश होती है, जो फायर होती है, उसे वो कूल डाउन कर देती है. तो वो जो उन्होंने एक्ट किया था, इट वॉज वेरी फेमस एंड एग्जिबिटेड फॉर मेनी टाइम्स. Vagar women were bravely disarmed the cannonballs without worrying about their own lives. Vagar women बिना डरे, बिना किसी संकोच के कि हमारी लाइफ को क्या होगा, तो वो जो कैनन बॉल वहाँ से फेंके जा रहे थे, they have accepted. So their act of bravery was equivalent to that of Rani Lakshmibai. Vagar women, those who were standing against the Britishers in the battle, ताकि वो कोई भी वेपन्स या कुछ भी फेंके, सो दे विल वो जो सोप मैट्रेस था उसमें वो कैप्चर कर लेंगे. तो वो जो एक्ट उन्होंने किया था, इट इज़ वेरी ब्रेव एक्ट एंड इट वाज इक्विवेलेंट टू द रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, बिकॉज what Britishers had announced, officially they announced that she was a very skillful lady, she was very skillful and she is the very good, means very brave lady who fought against the British. So that's why they have compared the Vagar women, they have compared to the Rani Lakshmibai. These women were the Lakshmi Bais of Gujarat. She was of Jhansi and these Vagar women were the Lakshmi Bais of Gujarat. Now the city of North Gujarat like Patan, Kheralu, Biroda, Mudeti, etc. broke into the revolt. अब यहाँ की जो cities थी, they also joined the revolt और वहाँ पे revolt उन्होंने start कर दिया with the help of the natives. Apart from this, in December 1858, Tatya Tope stayed with his army in Panchmahal district of Gujarat. उसके अलावा December 1858, Tatya Tope, he also stayed over there in the Panchmahal district of Gujarat. He had to escape to the forest of Vanaswada when being chased by the British army. He wants to escape, उसको वहाँ से भागना था because British army जो थी वो उसे ढूंढ रही थी. To who? To the Tatya Tope. उनको पकड़ना था. Now we'll see how the whole revolt get an end. आखिर इस revolt का end कैसे हुआ? See how the end of the revolt happened. During the revolt, weapons and soldiers were supplied to the Britishers from England, Iran, etc. During the revolt, जब ये बगावत चल रही थी दोनों के बीच में, so the soldiers and weapons were supplied to the British from England and Iran. So the revolt had started on 10th May 1857, but by the end of the June 1857, the Britishers were able to regain control on Banaras. मतलब जून 1857 में वो खत्म होने आई, but at that time only Britishers again have the control on Banaras and Allahabad. Kanpur was recaptured, means again Britishers has recaptured the Kanpur by the end of the July, and Delhi in September 57. Bahadur Shah Zafar and his queen Begum Zaman Mahal was imprisoned and exiled to Rangoon. Rangoon से उन्हें निकाल दिया गया, and the capital of Burma they died after few years. So they both were died after few years, and their 3 sons were murdered. और उनके जो 3 बेटे थे उनका मर्डर हो गया था. So as we go on the Lucknow was also recaptured in March 1858. Jhansi fell because of the treachery of one of the courtiers of Jhansi. अब वो भी गिर गई थी because of the treachery कि उसमें से ही किसी कॉर्टियर ने ये काम किया था. As a result, लक्ष्मीबाई escaped towards Kalpi where she died while fighting against the battle with British troops. अब जो ब्रिटिश उसके पीछे पड़े थे उनसे फाइट करते करते she died. नाना साहिब पेशवा escaped to Nepal. अब नाना साहिब जो है वो नेपाल चले गए थे आफ्टर द फाइनल डिफीट. जब उनकी ब्रिटिश के साथ लड़ाई हुई थी तो वो हार के नेपाल भाग चुके थे. इट इज बिलीव दैट ही लिव्ड इन द सिहोर विलेज ऑफ भावनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात वेयर ही बिलीव टू हैव डाइड इन 1902. ये कहा जाता है कि वो भावनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात में रहते थे, एंड देयर ही बिलीव दैट it is believed that he died over there in 1902. It is said that the Tatya Top captured due to the battle one of his allies, means वो झगड़ा करते means battle या लड़ाई करते करते पकड़े गए थे. According to the official document, और अगर official document के हिसाब से बात करें so Tatya Top was hanged on 18th April 1859. Official documents के हिसाब से he got hanged on 18th April 1859. However, as per the sources, we came to know that Tatya Top had managed to escape. जैसे कि हमने आगे पढ़ा था कि Tatya Top has managed to escape and someone else was hanged in his place, and instead of Tatya Top, someone else has hanged over there. It is believed that he has spent the last years of his life in Navsari. ये कहा जाता है या माना जाता है that he has spent last of the years of his life in Navsari. As we have seen, we have started the revolt, right, in 10th May 1857. But till the end of the revolt, again Britishers have controlled or they have captured all the cities, and we'll see how it got failed. कैसे revolt failed हुआ. So that we will see in the next video. Till that time, go through the book, go through the videos properly. If you have any problem, we will solve the doubts in the live session. Now in the next video, we'll read or we'll discuss about the revolt of failure. Till that time, take care of yourself. Good day and thank you.